Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch model supports your carrier's LTE bands and whether it needs an eSIM or physical nano SIM. Once done, log into your mobile account and add a wearable plan. You'll often need the watch IMEI and account PIN. Make sure the watch battery is above 50% and Bluetooth is on your phone so activation apps can pair. You're initiating network access now. This gets the device visible to the carrier and ready for service. Next, open the carrier's activation flow in the Watch Companion app. You'll follow step-by-step prompts to install an eSIM profile or insert the nano SIM. If asked, scan the QR code or type the activation code exactly, then allow provisioning to run. This can take several minutes. Once provisioning completes, make sure the watch's cellular toggle is on and the companion app shows signal bars. Test by sending a simple message or loading a map tile to verify live data. Finish by customizing call forwarding, SMS handling, and data limits on the watch so you don't exceed your plan. Sync contacts and confirm apps allowed to use LTE. If after 10 minutes there's no service, reboot the watch and repeat provisioning. Intermittent provisioning often clears after a restart. If problems persist, contact the carrier with the watch IMEI and any activation error codes. This lets them inspect provisioning logs and resolve SIM, profile, or network registration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.